Step into the enchantment of our Navratri Golu. Navratri Golu is a lively Tamil Nadu festival showcasing artistic doll arrangements on a Golu Padi, symbolizing gods and daily life. Celebrated over 9 nights and 10 days, it honors the divine feminine, including Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati. Families participate by rearranging dolls, singing devotional songs, and praying, which fosters community and cultural heritage. The festival blends devotion, art, and storytelling, emphasizing its significance in Indian culture. During this festival, people often gather in homes to showcase intricate displays of dolls, called Golu or Bomai Kolu, which depict scenes from mythology, history, and day-to-day life. These displays serve as a way to narrate stories and share cultural heritage. The celebration also includes the exchange of gifts, symbolizing peace and goodwill among friends and family. Communities come together to enjoy vibrant processions, traditional music, dance performances, and the dramatic reenactment of the Ramayana, culminating in the burning of effigies of Ravana, symbolizing the eradication of evil. Dashera fosters a spirit of unity, joy, and the reaffirmation of moral values. But at this age and time, many of these practices are not followed. But we still come together to witness the splendor of the festival through tales and gifts. We invite you to our Navratri Golu. Come and let's discover the history of Hindu mythology. We have arranged the dolls to represent all the major tales in Hinduism in a chronological order. Sit back and enjoy. The dawn of the Dashavataras. We have a set depicting the Patha avatars of Lord Vishnu in the center. Next to him, on both sides, are his other forms that we worship daily, including Balaji, Narsimha, and Ananthashayana. Churning of the ocean. We have all heard of this story in our childhood. Here we depict the scene of the churning of the ocean wherein we get Lakshmi and Kuber's wealth with other exquisite and precious things and creatures. Birth of Karthikeya. Murugan's birth story is widely known across India. We have depicted him at the time of his birth surrounded by the Ara Kritikas who found him in his Ara forms. Lord Ganesha's marriage is still a debate where in North India he is married to Siddhi and Buddhi, but in South India he is still a bachelor. Still we represent him getting married to Siddhi and Buddhi. The Brahma Yagna is the highest kind of offering done towards Brahma. But this can only be done after offering Nuru other Yagnas to the other Devtas. Rama and Lakshmana performed an offering to Shiva in a place now known as Rameswaram. This was done because Rama had to kill Ravana, who was an atoned Brahman, and killing a Brahman was a sinful act. So they requested Shiva for the permission to slay the king. Ashtalakshmi is a group of the 8 manifestations of Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of prosperity. She presides over 8 sources of wealth: spirituality, material wealth, agriculture, royalty, knowledge, courage, progeny, and victory. Those manifestations are Adi Lakshmi, Dhana Lakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi, Gaja Lakshmi, Santana Lakshmi, Dhairya Lakshmi, Vijaya Lakshmi, and Vidya Lakshmi, respectively. We celebrate this festival to rejoice the victory of good over evil. Rama, who killed Ravana during this time, and Chamundeshwari killed Mahishasura during this period, we celebrate with pomp and joy over the Iranda victories as our favorite festival, the Sirha. Thank you for coming.